What up, gang? I'm Rob Level. I'm sure you already probably knew that, but have you ever heard that by the time someone sees your name seven times, they are then more likely to become a fan of you, okay? And if you've heard that, it's because it's true, okay? In this video, I'm going to teach you the secrets that I've learned about music marketing and music promotion on YouTube. And I'm a music artist just like you. I just had a music video hit 11 million views. I got over 50 million views on my music. I'm using these ones on my music, and I'm getting incredible results. You can check for yourself. Oh, I got to erase this. Hold on, let me erase this. So look, basically, if somebody can know your name by the seventh time that they hear you, the goal, if you think about it, should be to get somebody to hear your name 7 times. So then your name is at least familiar to them. Then when one of their friends talks about you in any way, shape, or form, you're like, I've heard of that person, okay? There's a lot of reasons for this. So number one, I'm not gonna go over this a bunch because I've talked about it in other videos. The first thing that you wanna do to make sure that you can get this person, these people, these new fans to hear your name 7 times so they can start converting into fans faster, okay, is to set up pixels and audiences. Again, I already talked about these. I'm just gonna move right on. You can watch the other videos if you want to know more about them, okay? Now, what I highly recommend is this, and this is working exceptionally well for me. The next thing you want to do, because you're thinking, I'm gonna send people to Spotify. Problem is you can't really capture those people that are gonna go to Spotify unless they become a follower. So you don't want to do that, okay? What you want to do is you want to work on driving people to YouTube so they can enter into these audiences, okay? Because when you send them to YouTube, it's gonna capture those people. Every video they ever hit, it can track them, put them into a bucket. We now have them in a list so we can retarget them to get them to hear you 7 times. Yes, okay? So listen, so the next thing is you're gonna wanna drive them to YouTube as a primary focus. So don't be posting your link to Spotify and stuff like that. Drive them to YouTube, have a great visual, then drive them to Spotify from there. If they use Spotify, they're gonna go to Spotify, but everybody uses YouTube. Get me?
You can't lie.
I didn't know which way to put my fingers there. So, drive new fans to YouTube, okay? Then, number 3. I'm gonna go more in depth in these so you really understand, okay? Number 3 is to retarget those people that are in that list 7 times. Because it's gonna make sure that they've heard your name 7 times. The more they hear your name, the lower their hater barrier gets because you seem more relevant. Common sense, is it not?
Yeah.
So basically, your target is 7 times. So, retarget the list. And the target is 7 times, okay? So, go further on this. Some people come to YouTube, they click a song, and they never come back again. And with what I'm showing you, they come to your page ever. You can retarget them. It is essential. I have other videos on it. I don't want to go over it again. Trust me, okay? But did you know that you can set up Google Ads? You get thousands of views every day on a $5 budget. Did you know?
No!
Did you know? When is that? No, put auto-tune on that. I'm good. Anyway, pro tip here. Remember, guys, you get about $2 per 1,000 views on your videos when you're monetizing. So listen, if you spend $5 and you get 1,000 earned views, you just made $2 back, okay? And also that person may go to Spotify, share your music with friends, and then these fans are coming in to make you more money back. If you do this right, you're gonna make money, right? By the way, an earned view is when somebody watches your ad and then they go to other videos on your channel. They like you, okay?
Oh God.
Really quick, if you could hit that subscribe button for me, I really appreciate it. Growing this channel allows me to help more artists like you and me so that we can keep getting further faster together. That's it, let's get back to the video. Now, smart artists understand that investing right leads to not only making more money back, but making more money than they spent. You get me? So again, first you're gonna set up your YouTube videos to be capable and able to capture people's data. So you need to create audiences. You have to create a Google Ads account, okay? Now you would think that it does it on its own, but it doesn't, and that's what sucks, because when I found that out, I'm like, what do you mean? That's like millions of people that I could have been targeting. So you have to do this now. Super easy, free to set up the account, free to set up the audiences, okay? And then I can show you how to get a free $500 YouTube ads credit.
He ain't lying.
Those videos are on my channel. The sooner you do this, the more people that you'll have to gain as fans who have already seen your name before. If you can't retarget that person, they've heard your name 3 times, you wasted money, wasting time, you could have gained fans faster. Number 2 is, next you're gonna spend time driving people to your YouTube. Okay, now this happens by slowly gaining fans or even just by running ads to get them to it in the first place. Okay, so in your bio, in your descriptions, when you're telling people everywhere to go somewhere, send them to YouTube. Okay, don't confuse them. Put a YouTube link in your bio. They know what it is. First, look, if you want to go run that $5 in ads a day, you can run them to artists who sound like the music that you make. Okay, and you can actually start gaining their fans. Or geographically in your local area, you can start running ads and get known in your hometown. Become locally famous. Why are you not running ads? New fans every day, $5, come on. Number 3, after people started watching your videos, they're now tracked by Google Ads inside of that audience. Now you can start sharing your other music with the same people. So not only they know your name, heard it 7 times, they hear one song, now they've heard 2 songs 7 times. Now they've heard another song another 7 times. Now you can keep running these YouTube ads back to the same people who have already been on your page before. This puts them into a loop until they see your name that 7th time and finally become a fan, or like I like to do, 7 on 7 videos. Now you can run YouTube ads right back to the same people who have already been in your page before. And this puts them into the loop until they see your name that 7th time and they finally become a fan. So in case you didn't know, you can even target people who specifically hit an individual song of yours, okay? Because you can choose who watched a specific video, and then that's the list it'll make. You can do a list where it'll target everybody who's only liked your music or liked any of your videos before. You can target only subscribers, and this allows you to really hyper target who you want to reach. If you want a fully detailed guide on how to set up your Google ads, track your videos, set up your Facebook pixels, Instagram ads for your music and all that stuff to grow 10 times faster, you can go to musicindustryshortcut.com/hookup, and that's going to hook you up with something, all right? Especially with those YouTube ads, okay? I'll show you that. Anyway, these are the things that you're going to need. I'm not going to take any more of your time. Hope this helps you out. Please hit me with a subscribe so I can nurture our relationship as an artist. And as I learn these things, I can show you these things. And I'm moving upwards right now. Momentum. I'm learning a lot. Let me show you these things, okay? I'm Rob Level. This is Smart Rapper. Hit me with a subscribe and keep hustling. I'll see you at the top.
Chop it, break it down and flip it all day.